My friends, wood has a magic that no other material can match. It feels warm, natural, timeless, and every piece carries its own story. In this video, we will explore the beauty of wooden decor. How simple wood can transform any space into something elegant, cozy, and full of character. There is something incredibly calming about wooden decor. Whether it's smooth, polished grain or the rustic texture of aged timber. Wood adds a sense of comfort that instantly makes any space feel more welcoming. Every note, every line, and every shade of the color is a little reminder of nature right inside your home. Wooden decorations do not just look beautiful, they create atmosphere. Soft, warm tones make rooms feel soothing and peaceful. Natural patterns bring a sense of harmony. And depending on how it is crafted. Wood can make a space feel luxurious, vintage, or handicrafted and artistic. One of the best things about wood is its versatility. It blends effortlessly with every style: modern, rustic, bohemian, classic, or minimal. It can be carved, shaped, polished, burned, textured, painted, or left raw. And no matter how it's styled, wood always brings depth and richness that elevate the entire area. Handmade wooden pieces have a charm you cannot find in factory-made items. You can feel the craftsmanship in every detail. The gentle curves, the careful finishing, the natural imperfection that make each piece unique. These decorations often hold emotional values because they reflect creativity, effort, and personality. Wooden decoration brings nature closer to you. They remind us of forests, earth, and growth, adding a refreshing outdoor feel even in the middle of the modern home. When sunlight hits the wooden surfaces, the glow is soft and organic, giving the whole space a peaceful vibe. Trends may come and go, but wood never goes out of style. Its beauty ages gracefully. Even old beaten pieces become more charming with time. The marks, shade and textures turn into a natural history that adds soul to any decor. Wooden decor is more than decoration, it is an experience. It brings warmth, character and natural elegance into your living space. Whether simple or intricate, every wooden piece has a story to tell. And that story becomes a part of your home. Thank you for watching. If you love the timeless beauty of wooden decor, make sure stay connected for more inspiration ahead. Have a good day.